Hey, I'm sitting here, I'm watching the news, and it's been reported from, and we just want everybody to pray and pray for Kobe Bryant's family, pray for all of the fans. And it's being reported that he was taking this, going over to the Mamba facility, taking his 13-year-old daughter to basketball practice. So that's what's being reported right now. And I hope and pray to God that I'm wrong about this, but you might want to check TMZ and and from what I understand, his 13-year-old daughter Gigi, he was taking her to basketball practice, and from what TMZ is reporting, she was on that helicopter with him, his 13-year-old daughter. So I am beyond devastated, and I'm sure the whole country is devastated, and him and his family, and you know, when Whitney Houston and Michael Jackson and Prince died, it was something like, okay, I don't know. It felt like, okay, I can believe it, because they're a little older, celebrities die in car crashes and stuff like that. But this is a total shock. Like I literally can't believe in a lot of celebrities died, but if I just hope and pray that it's not true. But according to what TMZ is reporting, that his daughter was on the helicopter with him, his 13-year-old daughter Gigi, and it's a sad day. It's a total sad day. I'm only thing I'm asking everybody to do is pray for his family and pray for his fans, pray for his teammates. Everybody in LA, I'm sure, is devastated because if I don't know anything about LA, being out there, they loved Kobe Bryant, and pray for the city of Philadelphia, his parents. Somebody that young, 41 years old, and pray for everybody that's been touched by this. I'm watching MSNBC right now, and I'm checking the internet for stuff. But man, I love y'all. Life is so short. We want to thank God for everybody that had to fly today, everybody that had to get on a plane today and travel to get home or get to work or get to wherever you're going. That God allowed us to be safe, and it could have been us because I had to fly this morning, and I'm sure a lot of people had to fly this morning, and it could have been us. And we thank God for His grace. We thank God for His mercy. We thank God for sharing such an iconic figure like Kobe Bryant with us, and for us to be alive and to even see somebody like him in our lifetime. We don't understand stuff, and I never would question God. But I tell you, I was talking to somebody yesterday. Life will bring some punches in the chest that you just don't understand out of nowhere. Out of nowhere. Just having going on about your regular Sunday, and you think it's a hoax, and you look at the news, nothing there. You look at your phone, nothing there. You start seeing what you think was a rumor, and then you start getting it from real sources, and then all of a sudden it comes on the news. And I just know how I felt kind of felt the same when Prince, Whitney Houston, and Michael Jackson died. And I just couldn't imagine you know, how his wife and, you know, and what's left of his family. Pretty sad. So, thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all listen to the morning show. We're going to dedicate an entire show. That Rick's. Oh yeah. Rick. Okay. Yeah, I kind of feel like I lost. I never. I wish I could ever. That was somebody that I always wanted to meet. You know. People are saying that that they don't think it was Rick Fox. They think it was his lawyer, from what I'm understanding. All right, man. I'll keep everybody updated. These, wow. Yeah, they are saying that his daughter was with him, his 13-year-old daughter, Gigi. Just make sure. I'm not reporting it. I'm just saying this is what TMZ is reporting. Yeah. 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 Y'all just stay prayed up, man, and let's just think life is short. Call your relatives, call your friends, call all your loved ones and tell them that you love them. Somebody said Kobe 13-year-old daughter, another parent and their child is on their way to the game. Wow. Sad day. All right, man. Love y'all. That's what I said, Sinead. The fear of the father. Hey, Brandon, love you too. Just the fear of a father cannot save his daughter.